Welcome back, guys. What do you do on a day that's so rainy and you can't go out and work? Let's go pick up another bike. Let's go get the Honda Super Magna. Do I never learn? Gotta grab some grub. Hit the road. I love making the trip from Pennsylvania down into Maryland. Kinda want to live in the Chesapeake area. Kinda wish I grew up in this area. We lost our co-pilots. Alright guys, you ready for this? 1988 Honda Magna VF750C, also known as the Super Magna. This is the second year for it, and only year. They made them in 87 and 88. Just look at those lines, that wheel. Carbs are next to the bike, and also have the seat to it. She's a little rough around the edges, but there's nothing wrong with that. Almost 41,000 miles. She'll be kicking again. This is a second gen. We'll go more into detail on it in the next video. But right now we'll just give you a look. Look at that. Custom design. Just gotta love it. 750 engine. Is a V4. She's putting about 79 horsepower, maybe 80 horsepower. Depends where you look. We'll do a walk around again on the next video. Just gorgeous. Love being around the water. Anybody live down here in Chesapeake, Maryland? Anyone ever eat at the Chesapeake Inn? That's one of our favorite places to go. Sit on the deck. We are not right there, but you can see the bridge that goes over the water at that location. One thing I do love about traveling, getting to see different places, so it kind of makes going to pick up a motorcycle that much better. There's something about the hunt, there's definitely something about the catch. we are at home. It's always fun to try and figure out if I'm able to unload a bike all by myself, because usually there's one or two other people to help load it, but obviously the hardest part is getting it up a ramp, and going down sometimes is not quite as hard. Now I will say that this rear wheel is locked up. Whether it's in gear or not, I don't know. I didn't mess with it when we were there. The previous owner was trying to put it there in neutral and couldn't get it out of gear. So I think it needs to be rocked around, free up that clutch, I guess. But maybe it vibrated enough on the way here that it's free and she'll roll right down. I don't know if I have any brakes. Didn't even check that, so I'm not gonna be able to record this, but I'll let you know how it goes. If it's off the trailer and not laying over, I guess I did okay. Here we go. Before I get into anything else, I think I need to address something. I undid the rear strap, so that's off. And apparently this strap undid itself. We just drove back from Maryland and I just went to undo this strap, and I'm gonna tell you what, this was laying in the trailer. So I consider myself extremely lucky that this did not fall over, because guess what? I have a strap up here which is still intact. I can't see it, but she's still holding firm over here. But this end is completely gone. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm gonna have to invest in some tank straps from SRK Cycles, because that is the second time I found a torn strap, and we're not going to be dropping any bikes. That is not what I'm invested in. So one of my straps is already off. All right,